friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you step by step how to prepare a stuffed watermelon with jello, strawberries, and blackberry. Let me tell you, this stuffed watermelon is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the watermelon. And if you buy a watermelon and it looks just like mine, don't throw it away. Make an amazing agua fresca. Of course, if your watermelon is not too sweet, add strawberries, add raspberry to your agua fresca, and don't throw it away. And here I'm going to get everything out. I'm going to clean it really good. And I am going to make a stuffed strawberry, blackberry watermelon. Let me tell you, this part takes time cleaning, getting everything out. Don't throw it away. Make an amazing agua fresca of watermelon. Now that it's nice and clean, I have a plate on the bottom. I'm going to put it aside. I have my strawberries that I'm going to remove the green, wash it really good, disinfect it, and then I am ready to chop away. Let me tell you, to make this amazing and delicious, refreshing stuffed watermelon, you only need very few ingredients. And these ingredients you could find in any supermarket. Of course, if it all depends how big your watermelon is. So how much fruit you need, it all depends how large it is. I am only making half of the watermelon. So I am using about 3 to 4 cups of strawberries and 3 cups of the blackberry. But like I said, it all depends how big and how large is your watermelon. So here I'm just going to incorporate the strawberry and the blackberry. And this is done. I am going to put it aside and I am going to prepare the clear jello. Yes, and I am using Degari. Here I want to show you that I'm going to add all the fruit, all the strawberries chopped in 4 pieces each one. The blackberry, I'm not going to cut it all. I'm going to leave it whole and I'm just going to add it into the big bowl of the watermelon. Look at this. The colors look gorgeous and I am sure this dessert is going to come out so amazing and refreshing. Here in California it's really hot. The temperatures are hot, but I am going to refresh myself with this amazing stuffed watermelon made at home with lots of love. I have 2 packages of Degari clear flavor of jello. I'm going to add 3 cups of boiling water. I'm going to mix for about 5 minutes, making sure that the jello has dissolved completely. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of cold water. And now I am ready to make this amazing stuffed watermelon. But the only part that I don't like is that I need to wait 24 hours before I could enjoy it. But look at this. Very easy. The ingredients you could find in any supermarket. Make sure that you have a plate on the bottom to hold the watermelon. And now that you have everything in here, cover it with saran wrap. I'm going to add 2 coats of saran wrap, making sure that the jello and the fruit don't absorb the aromas of the refrigerator. So here I'm going to take it to the refrigerator. I'm going to leave it there for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, beautiful family, let's reveal this stuffed watermelon. It's a little wet from the top. I'm going to pat it dry And now I am ready to slice the watermelon, slice it, and show you how beautiful the slices look. This is perfect. This is an amazing dessert for the weekends when you're having family over and you want to impress them with this watermelon. Oh my gosh. This always comes out amazing and beautiful. Look, every slice is totally different. You could see the fruit in the center. When you slice it open, you could see the blackberry sliced through the center. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you like, you love, and you're enjoying this stuffed watermelon, like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing stuffed watermelon with strawberry and blackberry. Let me tell you, this stuffed watermelon comes out delicious, refreshing, and perfect for this hot weather. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. So delicious. Mm. Let me tell you, if I could make this stuffed watermelon, you can make it too. And you could enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you like and love this amazing stuffed watermelon with blackberry and strawberry, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Make and enjoy this amazing and refreshing stuffed watermelon with blackberry and strawberry. Made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye bye.